Patient and hopeful, the puppy settles in the shade, tail wagging softly, ready for the next playful encounter.
Our cheerful Shih Tzu puppy tiptoes beneath the leafy branches, eyes shining, eager for a new surprise in the treetops above. Her tail swishes in excitement as she scans the sky, determined to catch a glimpse of her singing friend up among the leaves.
Entranced, our puppy sits quietly, letting the soothing melody wash over her and make the whole garden feel magical. Finally, she curls up in the soft grass, lulled to sleep by the bird's gentle song.